Reduce the risk of a blowout with E-Pressure. The E-Pressure module enables you to monitor your current tyre pressure and temperature before you set off and while driving. You receive a notification and alarm signal on your smartphone should the tyre pressure be too low or too high. A swerving caravan can be very dangerous and is often caused by excessive nose weight. E-Load gives a clear overview of the appropriate nose weight on your smartphone. Never hit the road again with incorrect nose weight. The e-Trailer app on your smartphone informs you of the current status of your caravan or motorhome. Monitor your tyre pressure, check whether your caravan or motorhome is level, check the current nose weight, and much more. eConnect is the heart of the e-Trailer system. It receives information and sends it to your mobile phone via Bluetooth. You can expand the e-Trailer system modules that suit your needs. Have a safe and relaxing holiday with e-Trailer products. Are you tired of walking back and forth trying to level out your caravan or camper? Level your caravan or camper quickly and easily with E-Level. A levelling device is now a thing of the past. All you need is your smartphone. No more guessing how much water you have left with the E-Waterlevel module. Monitor the current water level of the tank before and while replenishing. You receive a notification on your smartphone when the water tank is almost empty. An open roof hatch whilst driving can break off and cause a lot of damage. With the e-switch, that is a thing of the past. Check the app on your smartphone to see if any windows or doors are still open. If so, an alarm will sound as soon as you start driving. Stay up to date with the temperature and humidity in your fridge with e-Temperature. If the temperature exceeds or dips below the preset level you require, you will receive an app notification on your smartphone. Prevent an unexpected flat battery with eVolt. The app gives a clear overview of the current battery status. You receive a notification when the battery is low.